This 2023 Grand Design Momentum 351 Mega Siemens is a toy hauler RV. It is located in Egg Harbor City, New Jersey 08215 and is offered for sale by White Horse RV Center. This new Grand Design is 39 feet 11 inches in length and features 3 slideouts, Sleep 7, air conditioning, spare tire kit, microwave, smoke detector, external shower, oven, slide-out, auxiliary battery, leveling jacks, refrigerator, and 155 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this toy hauler features bath and a half, bunk beds, bunkhouse, couples coach, front bedroom, kitchen island, loft, mid-kitchen, outdoor entertainment, patio deck, raised patio, rear bath, rear bedroom, rear dinette, rear entertainment, rear living area, 2 bedrooms, 2 entry, exit doors. The unloaded weight of this 2023 Grand Design Momentum 351 Mega Siemens is 14,700 pounds. For more information and pricing on this unit, and to see all units available for sale by White Horse RV Center, visit RVUSA.com.